Let's figure out how to make consulting hours more profitable. Tip 1, find a good price plan. There's two out there that are commonly used. That's the hourly rates and fixed price projects. Hourly rates are very good for long-term commitments, especially if the scope isn't clear from the beginning. Fixed price plans, you'll need to have a very clear scope at the beginning or just for shorter projects. There's a lot of advantages to both of them. Picking the right one could be really beneficial for your profitability. Tip 2, find a good price setting. You'll need to base yourself on your industry, your customer's industry, your experience, your costs, but more importantly, it's really good to base yourself on the added value you're creating to your customers. If you're able to convince your customers of the added value you're bringing to them, it's easier to make a sale and you'll be able to ask a higher price for the same thing. Tip 3, raising prices is completely normal. Whether it be through inflation, your experience that is always increasing, if you're increasing your quality, it's normal, everyone is doing it. If you're not going to do it, people will not be thanking you for it. Just make sure you have an explanation and a motivation ready for your customers. Tip 4, reducing expenses. Making sure that the project is well scoped out at the beginning will reduce unforeseen circumstances that could cost a lot of money or cost a lot of your time. Increase your efficiency, try to automate where you can, make some adjustments to your process and try to streamline everything you can. Tip 5, manage your time. Make sure that your projects are feasible. Make sure that you keep your well-being in mind. You're no good to anyone sick. If you're working at an hourly rate, make sure to track your time and bill it accordingly. If you're working with fixed price projects, make sure to add some buffer time for those unforeseen circumstances. Whatever you do, learn from your mistakes and keep growing. Good luck.